You might see some warning lights after a battery change, so I'll show you a trick you can use to clear these codes with a full step-by-step battery replacement, including info on the battery size and what to do after installation. Disconnect the negative terminal first before working on anything else, either with a quick release clamp or a 10mm socket depending on your model. Now the positive clamp can be loosened, but its location isn't obvious, hidden under the junction box here. The strap is held in place with a nut down at the base of the battery, and for some reason there's actually enough space to fit your hand in there. Bonus points, Alpha. The battery has to slide in here at the back to retain it properly, but for the new battery to fit this insulating jacket and the battery tray, I'll share some info a bit later. For now, start by installing the positive terminal or the bracket. Extend the clamp with a screwdriver if you need to ensure a tight fit on the battery post. If you find these videos helpful, I hope we've earned your subscription by now, but even a like or a super thanks will be appreciated. We used a 70 amp hour enhanced flooded battery with these dimensions, but if your budget allows, an AGM can also be installed. Since there is no stop-start or a battery monitoring system on this model, this doesn't have to be adapted to the ECU. Now on startup, you'll see the power steering and stability control warnings. So turn the steering wheel fully to the one side and fully to the other side to set the steering angle sensor. If the one-touch windows don't work, press and hold the button all the way down and hold it down for about 3 seconds after it's fully open. Then do the same for closing and repeat for each one-touch window. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.